In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a personal view in Dynamics 365. Whether you're a newcomer or a regular user of Dynamics 365, sharing a personal view can be an incredibly useful way to collaborate with your team and streamline your workflows. So let's dive into how you can do this step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Dynamics 365 and make sure you're navigating to the right area. This means clicking into the section relevant to your work, whether that's accounts, contacts, or any other module you might be working with. It's important that you're in the right spot so your personal view is easily accessible for the next steps. Once you are in the correct area, the next step is to locate the View drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll want to look for an option that says Manage and Share Views. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing all the views you've created and customizing who else in your team can take a look at them. When you're in the Manage and Share Views menu, you'll see a list of views that are available. Find the personal view you'd like to share with others. Next to this view, there are three little dots, your Action menu. Click on these dots to reveal additional options related to the view. From the list of options that appears, you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on it and this will prompt a new window to open up. This window is where you'll start to configure who gets access to your personal view. In this new window, you'll see a search bar where you can begin typing in the names of users or teams you'd like to share the view with. It can be helpful to have a list of people or teams handy to ensure you're sharing with everyone who needs access. Dynamics 365 allows you to add multiple users or even entire teams, so don't hesitate to add as many people as necessary to maximize collaboration. Now, sharing isn't just about letting others see your view, you'll also want to set the right privileges to control what they can do with it. Consider carefully whether these users should only be able to read the view, or if they also need permissions to write or further share it with others. Adjust these settings according to your team's needs. After you've configured the user or team permissions to your liking, head over to that final Share button in the bottom corner of your window. Give it a click and voila! You have successfully shared your personal view within Dynamics 365. Sharing views is a fantastic way to promote productivity and ensure everyone has the information they need. With just a few clicks, you've made your workflow more accessible and efficient. Thanks for following along and happy collaborating.